Amazon Christmas is running huge offers all over the world, but many of you might not know about the mega deals and big savings on items. Here you'll find incredible discount of up 50% across all your favorite product categories. To make it even easier, we've rounded up the 5 best Christmas outdoor lights on Amazon that you can save you a huge amount on Amazon. So don't forget to watch title to the end. All the mentioned product deals links are in the description below. Number 5. The POOFZY 200-foot smart outdoor lights are a fantastic way to enhance your home's exterior with vibrant, customizable illumination. With RGB plus IC technology and 50 scene modes, these lights offer dynamic color effects, perfect for Christmas, Halloween, parties, or daily ambiance. App and remote control make it easy to adjust colors, brightness, and lighting patterns, giving you creative freedom without hassle. The generous 200-foot length covers roof lines, eaves, patios, and landscape elements, instantly boosting curb appeal. Built with an IP67 waterproof rating, these lights are durable and weather-resistant, standing up to rain, snow, and outdoor conditions year-round. Installation is straightforward with included mounting clips. Whether you're decorating for the holidays or adding stylish everyday lighting, these POOFZY outdoor lights deliver rich colors, versatile modes, and reliable performance at a great value. Number 4. These 100-foot smart eave lights are a fantastic way to elevate your outdoor decor year-round or for the holidays. With 72 RGB plus IC LEDs, the vibrant colors and dynamic effects create eye-catching displays for Christmas, parties, or everyday ambiance. App control makes customization easy. Choose colors, adjust brightness, and set timers right from your phone. The DIY RGB plus IC feature lets you personalize patterns and effects to match your style or event theme. The IP67 waterproof rating ensures reliable performance in rain, snow, and varying weather conditions, making these lights durable for outdoor use. Installation is straightforward, and the white housing blends seamlessly with most home exteriors. Ideal for roof lines, eaves, patios, and gardens, these lights deliver a combination of smart tech, visual flair, and dependable outdoor performance. A great choice for festive decorating and creative lighting. Number 3. These Linkind HP5 permanent outdoor lights offer impressive smart illumination for your home exterior. The 100 feet of RGB TW lighting delivers up to 16 million colors and dynamic effects, letting you create vibrant scenes for holidays, parties, or everyday ambiance. With 85 plus preset modes and music sync capability, you can easily customize displays to suit any occasion. Control is simple via the AI app, and hands-free voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant add convenience for daily use. The IP67 waterproof rating ensures these lights withstand rain, snow, and varying temperatures, making them durable outdoor decor year-round. Installation is straightforward with included mounting brackets and hardware, and the ability to adjust brightness and timers enhances versatility. Overall, these lights combine smart features, durability, and spectacular visuals for festive or everyday outdoor lighting. Number 2. These 400-foot RGB eaves lights are a vibrant and versatile choice for outdoor lighting and decoration. The generous length easily covers large roof lines, eaves, patios, and garden edges, creating eye-catching effects for holidays, parties, and everyday ambiance. With DIY scene modes and customizable colors, you can tailor light displays to suit seasonal themes, celebrations, or your personal style. The smart controls make it easy to adjust brightness, colors, and effects right from your phone or remote, adding convenience and creativity. Built with an IP67 waterproof rating, these lights stand up well to rain and outdoor conditions, delivering year-round performance. Installation is straightforward with mounting clips included, and the steady illumination enhances curb appeal instantly. Overall, these outdoor lights combine dynamic features, durable design, and impressive coverage, ideal for festive decor or everyday outdoor lighting. Number 1. The LETIANPAI 300-foot permanent outdoor lights bring bold, customizable color to your home exterior with RGB illumination and multiple control options. You can easily adjust brightness, colors, and lighting effects using the Lotus Lantern app or the included remote, with scene modes and music sync adding fun variety for parties or holidays. The IP67 waterproof rating means these lights are built to handle rain and weather year-round, making them suitable for gardens, eaves, patios, and more. Installation is fairly straightforward, and the extensive length covers large areas without gaps. However, some users report mixed quality experiences, so durability may vary. Overall, these lights offer excellent versatility and value for creative outdoor lighting and festive decor.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.